In today's video, I want to go over making a factory plan in Maintenance Manager for you. So if you start off from the Map tab, you're going to go to Plan and go to Maintenance. And then we see our list of equipment over here on the right-hand side. So I'm going to create a maintenance plan for this 8285. Click Create Maintenance Plan here, and that will bring me to another page where I can choose between a factory plan or a custom plan. So we're going to go with factory plan, and then it's going to give me a few different options here. I'm going to reference my serial number, and I'm going to go with factory plan option 1. Going to give it a name. Tell it my annual usage hours. Just putting some numbers here. Again, this will be custom to your operation, your farm, how many hours you put on a piece of machinery. Say it's 84 months old, and I'm going to start the plan as of today. And then I'm going to go with 1 year. You go anywhere between 1 and 10 years. You can also choose to apply some of these options down here. It may change up your factory plan a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and build this plan. Okay, so now as you can see, at 3,750 engine hours, it's telling me some things that I need to do. Big long list here. Change engine oil, drain air bank tank, lubricate the front hitch. Again, 4,000 hours, I've got some things I need to do. And 4,100, I've got some things I need to do. I can edit this, delete these items off here if I'd like to. Another handy thing is it gives me all the fluids that I will need. What types of fluids it recommends for the engine, the cooling system, the drives, all that sort of stuff. And so I'm going to go ahead and hit enroll this plan in the bottom right-hand corner here. All right, so it tells me your plan has been successfully created. You're going to receive alerts in the future. You can monitor status. You can log service, those sorts of things. So I'm going to hit OK here. And then when I go to upcoming service, you'll see that here's all my service that needs to be completed at the engine hours that it recommends. If I click in on one of these, I can tell it what date I'm going to complete this. I can tell it how many hours were on the engine, the time that I completed it. I can mark these tasks complete by hitting the check mark. If I ignored one, I can tell it that. If I want to go back and uncheck that, I just click on it again. But like I said, it's an easy way to help keep up with what has been serviced, what part of the equipment has been serviced, when you did that. Instead of trying to remember that or write it all down, you can add notes as to maybe something that went on. You can add labor cost and parts cost in here. A lot of times under the parts numbers here and part name, it'll tell you quantity of engine oil that you need, what the part number is. When that task actually becomes time to do it, it will give you that information. So once I'm done with that, if I was to check anything, I'd hit save here. And it would document and update that page once it's loaded. I can go back to my upcoming service, keep an eye on that, look at my service history, where I canceled a plan, can go back in and manage a plan. So again, just a helpful way to help you keep track of what's been serviced and what hasn't. I hope this was a helpful video. Feel free to check out our other ones on the Hudson Field Guide. Thank you.